Hey there, so in the following video, we just want to walk you through our custom package options. And essentially we have two packages. Package 1 is $8.99, package 2 is $12.99. And then scrolling further down, you'll be able to see the main differences between the two. Now the two packages are pretty much the same up until this point over here. You'll see that we have 5 sections with WordPress installation, theme activation, design previews, your customization being implemented to the actual website, then email setup applies to both package 1 and package 2. Then the other differences between package 1 and package 2 is the migration volume. With package 1, your migration volume is up to 10 gigabytes, package 2 is up to 20 gigabytes. Next off, with package 1, by default we have 2 phone calls scheduled to kind of go over the process, explain some of the layouts, maybe go over the designs, etc., or over any feedback that you may have. So you have 2 phone calls by default. With package 2 you have 3 phone calls, and then we also have an option of integrating certain plugins or integrations, for example, like ShootQ, Tave integrations, whatever it may be. We can do that, and that will be included into package 2. And then scrolling further down, we just have a basic outline of our process details. If we take a look at the following page, we'll see that here we have a more detailed outline of what the process will look like. So generally we start off with a consultation call, just kind of go over the pages and so forth. After that consultation call, we go over to the design and feedback stage, whereby we provide you with a design mockup of your website, collect your feedback, tweak it, and so forth. Once it's been approved, we then go to the customizing and setup stage, and this is where we implement the design to a specific theme. Once we've done that, we'll do some basic updates, transfer your content, and then we'll launch the website for you. So yeah, this is what the process looks like in general. And then you'll also be required to send us some specific information in order to successfully install your website, transfer the content, and so on and so forth. So let's just go over the forms over here. And we have some basic information like your email address, the theme name that you've purchased. So it could be Crowd, Cozy, Rebecca, Lovely, whatever it may be, just type it in here. We'll then also require you to send us an 8-digit order number, which is provided to you as soon as you place the order and processed, and that'll be emailed over to you. Further down, we have some technical information that you'll need to send over to us, and this is essentially your hosting information. So that can be HostGator, Bluehost, WP Engine, whatever it is. Send it over to us. Your cPanel and FTP details. If you don't know how to retrieve that information, simply send us the login details to your hosting account, and we will be able to get those details for you. If we are transferring your website from, let's just say, HostGator to Bluehost, we'll require your new hosting details in the following field so we can make that transfer. Next off, we'll also require your current website login credentials. If you're using WordPress, it'll be yoursitecom/wp-admin, so send us your details for that. If it's Squarespace or any other template or any other platform, actually, send that over to us as well. Next off, we have an area where you can send us your domains or access to your domains. If you have several domains that you're managing or you want to create a redirect from one to the other, we will require those access details as well. And usually that's something like GoDaddy, for example. Just send it over to us and we'll be able to get everything we need from there. If you know your Google Analytics code, send it over to us as well. If not, you can just send us your login details to the Google Analytics, and we will be able to retrieve that information for you. Over here we have the email that will be used for your contact form, so send that over to us. Your SEO titles and descriptions and keywords. If you have anything specific that you want to target, just type them in here. If not, we'll just use the existing keywords from your websites. Next off, we'll also have all of your social media links, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, Instagram, whatever it is, just type it in here. We'll need the links only, not the login details, just those links so we can integrate that. Scrolling further down, we have an area for your visuals. And essentially, this includes your logo files, favicons, etc. If you have fonts, custom fonts that you may want to use on the website, you can upload those files as well. And then we'll also have a field over here where we ask you to send us several images for your homepage, so we have some content to play with. And as you'll see here, the recommended size for your galleries and homepage images, or the recommended width, is 1800 pixels. For blog posts, it can be 1200 by 800, for example. And if the files that you're uploading are too large and the website, our form rejects those files, you can simply drop us a link to your Dropbox, for example, and we will be able to download those files from there. Further below, we have some basic structural information, and this is related to, for example, the homepage demos that you want to use, whether it's homepage demo 1, demo 2. Send that over to us, and we'll be able to set up that website for you. If you have a specific sitemap structure that you want us to follow or implement on your website, let us know. So it can be your homepage, about, contact galleries, blog information with a specific drop-down. Just type it in here and we will be able to incorporate that. And then we'll also have the following text field, which is that can be used for Dropbox links, for example, random notes, but then also a specific request, for example, like your galleries page or your blog page. If you want to add a sidebar or something very specific to your sidebar, just let us know and we will be able to add that for you. And then in order to submit that information, we'll simply need you to add that CAPTCHA text over here and then submit the information. Other than that, this is pretty much it. Once we have all of that information, we will be able to start the process and get things going for you. Thank you.